Hi, it's Dr. Kevin from Snelgrove Chiropractic in Barrie, Ontario, Canada. And in this short video, I'm going to give you some insights about a problem that I believe is going to plague our generations for years to come, unless we deal with it effectively. It's a problem that I see in a number of different patients in my office, everywhere from the young to the middle age to people even older than that. And the problem that I'm referring to is tech neck. And it may not seem like a big deal to you, but in this short video, I'm going to share with you some insights that'll let you understand how this can be affecting you as well as your family. So sit tight, we'll get started shortly. So the way this video came to be happened this morning, where I walked into the kitchen and I saw one of my kids, teenage kids, on their phone. And I said something, you can't be in that forward position because that's a big problem for your neck. So as a dad and as a chiropractor, I was frustrated and upset to see that. And so my knee-jerk reaction was to say, just get off your freaking phone. And of course, as a result of that, I will not be winning the Dad of the Year award this year. But right away, my teenager said, well, how can I fix that? And why is it a problem? And I quickly realized that unless we take action and learn more about this problem, it's going to be an issue that's going to plague us for years to come. And it's not just going to get better, it's going to get far worse because the amount of time that we spend on devices will increase with time. In fact, as you guys are watching this video and I'm recording this video on my phone. And you're probably watching this video and scrolling through on your device as well. And so the truth is that we are inundated with tech devices on a daily basis. And as I dove deeper and did a little bit of research, I learned quickly and was shocked to learn that people spend an average of 5 hours and 53 minutes on their phones or their personal devices on a given day. 5 hours and 53 minutes. That's huge. So if you put that in context, that's over 2,000 hours per year, or over 84 days in a given year we are spending on our tech devices. So we need to do something about that. And so I decided that what we're going to do is I'm going to do a series of videos on the problem of tech neck. And so in future videos, I'll be sharing more about the causes of tech neck, ways which we can help with it, stretches we can do, ways that we can actually fix it. But in this video, I just want to show you what tech neck is. You've probably heard the term before. It sounds familiar, but you may not know what that is. And I'm just going to explain to you briefly what that is. Because when you look at what a normal posture is, you're in that upright position. Your head is over your shoulders, your chin's back, and your shoulders are back as well. I'll turn sideways so you can see that more. So you're more in this upright, normal posture position. Tech neck is when we're more forward. We tend to be leaning towards the device where our head is in front of our shoulders tend to be rolled forward as well. And we call that a forward head position posture. And when you think about that, if you're holding that position over the 5 hours and 53 minutes per day, that's a lot of time to be in that position. Another easy way to show you what tech neck is when we look at x-rays. And in this first x-ray, you're going to see a normal, healthy picture, a side view of the person's neck. And in this picture, you're going to see that the skull sits on top, that there's a nice, healthy backwards curve to the neck that kind of looks like the shape of a banana. And the bones are all in line along that curve. And recognize that the spinal cord runs directly through these bones. So positioning of these bones in the neck is absolutely critical. And when your spine is curved like this, it's at least 6 times stronger. Now in this next x-ray, what you're going to see is that there's no curve there. So there's a loss of that healthy banana-shaped curve that we want to see in the neck. Not only is that head forward, but the bones aren't in that backwards curve. In fact, that they're straight or slightly curved forward. And that's what we would call tech neck when we look at that on x-ray. This is one of the causes that will affect you structurally on x-ray. And as we dive deeper into future videos on tech neck, I'll be looking more at the causes of it, different symptoms or health effects on our body. We'll also look about ways to fix it and exercise that you can do to help minimize the impact of tech neck on you and in your family. So make sure that what you do is you subscribe to our channel, as well as click on the notifications bell. You'll see that down there. And that way you won't miss any of the videos as they come out. Also, be sure to share this video with others, as there are so many people out there that are using their personal devices. And that way they can get this information as well. And so until then, be healthy, be well. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. And also be aware of the position as you're scrolling through your phone. Have an awesome day. To learn more about restoring and optimizing your health through chiropractic care, visit Snelgrove Chiropractic at www.snelgrovechiropractic.com. Snelgrove Chiropractic is located at 197 Bayfield Street in Barrie, Ontario, L4M3B4.